In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete folders in Outlook. If you're trying to clean up your mailbox and remove folders you no longer need, Outlook makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to delete a folder in the Mail section, and I'll also point out what to expect when Outlook asks you to confirm the action. To begin, make sure you're in Outlook and open the Mail area. This is the section where your inbox, sent items, and custom folders are displayed. Once you're there, look over to the folder list on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the folder you want to remove. Next, move your cursor over the folder you want to delete. When you hover over it, you should see a three-dot menu appear next to that folder. Those three dots open more options related to that specific folder. Go ahead and click the three-dot menu to continue. After the menu opens, look for the delete option. Click on delete. This tells Outlook that you want to remove that folder from your mailbox. Be careful at this stage and make sure you've selected the correct folder before continuing, especially if you use folders to organize important messages. Once you click delete, Outlook will usually show a confirmation prompt. This is a final check to help prevent accidental deletion. If you're sure you want to remove the folder, click OK. And that's it. The folder will be deleted from Outlook. A quick tip before you do this: if the folder contains emails you might need later, it's a good idea to review its contents first. Deleting a folder can also remove the messages stored inside it, so it's worth taking a moment to double check before confirming. This is especially helpful if you're cleaning up older folders and want to avoid losing anything important by mistake. If you don't immediately see the three-dot menu, try hovering more precisely over the folder name, since Outlook sometimes only shows that option when your cursor is directly on the folder row. Also, if a folder can't be deleted, it may be a default Outlook folder rather than one you created yourself. That's how to delete folders in Outlook. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick and easy way to keep your mailbox organized and reduce clutter.